Hi everyone, it's day 46. Yesterday we start with the API integration in a front-end application. Yesterday we look into the login page and we integrated that part. Today we will focus on sign up page where we will integrate the sign up APIs in our front-end application. So first get back to the Jira and mark it as that we have started working on sign up page. So let's mark it as in progress. And then let's check out the code. So yesterday you can see we are working on sign up page. So this is the sign up page we are on. And then now let's check for sign in page. Now we are on sign up page. So let's do the same thing again. We have to import those things. What was that? Axios and router, which will be used here. And then similarly we are using this function but need some modification, so we will work on that modification part. So the function name is, if you see, it's on sign up, so we will change it to on sign up. Now username, password, phone is phone.value, comma, username equals to email equals to email.value. So these are the data which will be sent. And instead of login, it will be sign up. Now after this, we don't want to do this, but what we want window.alert and add messages, account created, go to login, and after that we will do router.push login. Now if failed, we want to do all the remaining things. So this is a function name which is defined in the form itself, and that can be used. So let's see, we have to start the backend first. Cd backend, then source vnv-bin/activate python3 app.py. Similarly, let's go to the front end, npm run dev. So backend has started. Now we will looking for front end. So let's get back to the browser and run the part localhost/login. We have worked on login part, so we will check on sign up part. Now let's create test name, test2, password should be again, let's say simple test only, and number should be of 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. It's 3 3 6 3 9, and one more could be there. And again, this should be test@email.com. Sign up. So now say account created, go to login, okay, and now it's shifted to login page. Now let's see if it's work. So it worked. Now there are few things that need to be done, but login created, go to login is there. It's shifted to that. And we have worked on sign up, and sign up was working. There was spelling. Now let's log out. And anytime we are working on this, so this part is almost done. So you know how to add these APIs. So now next part is to add APIs for profile. And also we have to add one more thing when we enter all of these things. Main.js is this one. So now let's go to home and check one thing. So for that, what I want on mounted, it is there, and in that we write a function. Now access token is equals to local storage, because we have set in the local storage dot get item access token. If not access token, return, or instead of that, router dot push login. If access token is undefined, or access token is null. Now for that again we have to import router. Sorry about that. It was router, use router. And we have to define a router equals to use router. And to check this, let's say if there is no this line, So we will see test and we will add test. Now let's see. In the application there is nothing, but still it is logging on. There's a problem here. So let's see why this is not working and where to use that. So let's see, we are going to use the guest profile or Control Shift N. We want to test that. Why it is not redirecting to login even there is no access token in local storage. In, in view 3. Okay, so these are potential issues I found. So it is saying this should be like this one. And this should be const stored in some form of variable. And so let's see that. And we also want to check that by using window console.log missing access token. For a time being, I want to check that by using this. Now I will do the inspect window, go to the console, clear this and refresh this. So access token is not defined. So let's do this again. So it need to be in some form of variable. So now you can see it's missing access token is there, and now I am again I logged in and again I'm out because there is no access token is there. So now I have to add this access token here. So let's add that. And now this will work. All right. So we have set up all of these commands here, and we have set up our sign up page. Similarly, not for only for home page, but we will do this step for every other view. And tomorrow, let's come back tomorrow for profile.view, and we will do all of those things like update and get the data in the profile. So let's mark that here in as in completed, and tomorrow what we will do profile section. So let's finish this video here. It's a small video, short video, so that integration doesn't take time. I hope you understand this much. If you have any doubt or you want to let me ask, if you want to enhance me something, do let comment it down. Thank you.